Today's video is we are going to put coconut oil on my hair overnight. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video is we are going to put coconut oil on my hair overnight. So I have done this video before. I think it was nearly a year ago now, and I think that was before I had any bleach in my hair. So I mean, let's get the coconut oil in question. So we're using exactly the same coconut oil. It is a different jar, but this is the first time I am popping it on my hair since it has been bleached. I went and got my hair re-bleached, was it a couple of weeks ago now? And I asked that I put it all over because I really wanted to lighten my hair, especially at the bottom, in a balayage that I was having done. I am trying to grow out my grey hairs, and I want this to be light blonde, so I can tone my hair silver so it kind of meshes in with the grey silvery bits I've got at my roots. But yeah, my hair is drastically dried out. So the coconut oil in question we are using is the KTC 100% pure coconut oil, premium quality, essential ingredients since 1972. So yeah, I'm dying to put this on my hair. My hair is dying for me to put this on my hair. So let me show you what we've got to play with. It's not pretty. Yeah, so this is what we've got to play with. This is 3-day-old hair, and it dried naturally, and so you can see my ends are dying. If my hair's going to break, it's going to break, but I'm going to try and prevent it as much as possible. But it is, you can hear how dry it is. Oh my god, it is in need of this coconut oil. But just to show you, it doesn't look good. First things first, let's put a brush through it. Right, so this is my hair freshly brushed. It looks a little bit better, not a lot, but you can see how dry those ends are. Oh my god. I don't regret bleaching it, I really don't, because I really like it, especially when it's toned silver. I think it looks really nice, but it just looks so bad at the moment. So we are going to start sectioning my hair, and then we're going to start from root to tip through the sections, get this bad boy coated with coconut. So I'm not going to overly saturate my hair. Coconut oil is excellent. It doesn't need to be totally dripping of coconut oil, just enough to coat the strands. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, come on over and join the YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. If anything, like this video if you feel sorry for my dead, dying hair. Yeah, let's get to it. So this is the coconut oil that I am using. I've got it this nice drippy consistency by putting it in front of the radiator for an hour. The weather is quite cold, meaning that the coconut oil is rock solid. You can break pieces off and warm it in between your hands, but I'm lazy and I let the radiator do it for me. I have watched people where they put it in the microwave or heat it in a pan. I don't want to do that. I've heard of some people that it can, I don't know, take some of the goodness away out of it, so I don't want to risk doing any of that. So just slowly let it melt in front of the radiator, or in the airing cupboard is another good way. So coconut oil is extracted from the meat of the coconut. When you go for your coconut oil, the best thing to get is virgin, extra virgin coconut oil, unrefined. So coconut oil is a source of lower chain fatty acids, and because of those lower chain fatty acids, it has the ability to actually penetrate the strands of your hair. So it's not a source of protein. This is not a protein treatment. Basically, the little bits and bobs in the coconut oil, them lower chain fatty acids, are attracted to the protein in your hair. So it goes for the protein in your hair, and it surrounds the protein in your hair and protects the protein that you do have in your hair. So my hair is actually saturated. I've had to put way more on than I wanted to, because my ends are just literally sucking this oil up, which I suppose is a good thing. Hopefully it's going to do it some good. So I'm now just going to pop my hair back. I am going to put some cling film on my head, and then I am going to pop this fabulous thing on my head. It's just a silk cap, and I will be sleeping with that, with the cling film on underneath it all of tonight. So it's gonna look really, really sexy. So I'm just gonna do that now. So all done. I'm gonna now remove my makeup and go to bed. I will see you in the morning. I'll pop on and say hello before I jump in the shower. But yeah, bring on some healthy looking hair, please. Fingers crossed. Wish me luck. Right, so it is the morning. I've just woken up. Please excuse the no makeup. Oh. I'm now gonna have a shower. So let's just take this off and this. Right, so now time to wash this out. Right, I am back. I have the face on. I kind of look a bit more human now. Time to get my hair out of this and style it. So let's do that. So I'm just going to be using this. This is Schwarzkopf Professional Performance Keratin Heat Protecting Spray. So let's whack this through the hair. Right, so my brush went straight through my hair there. I didn't have to fight it through like I normally do, so that's an improvement. Yeah, let's section my hair and start drying. My Revlon One Step Dryer to dry my hair with today. And if you are interested in any of the products that I have used through this video, I will pop a list in the information box, so you can just click on the link and treat yourself. But yeah, going to be using this. I'm going to speed it up for you as well, so it's going to be a few seconds. So let's get to it. Finished result, and look at that shine. Since I started bleaching my hair, I could never get a shine on it like I did with my dark brown hair. Look at that shine. Wow. I know obviously it's not proper lighting, it's I've got a ring light on and stuff, but even still, that shine is absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, I know using coconut oil on my hair overnight once isn't going to solve all of my problems, but if I do it on a regular basis, then maybe it will definitely help the condition of my hair. I have bought in a few oils that I want to try in my hair overnight. So yeah, I think I'm going to try the castor oil in my hair again overnight now that I've got bleached hair, and see what happens there too. But yeah, I'm really liking the results. Just to be totally clear, I know coconut oil has been around forever and a day. You can use it on your hair, you can use it on your skin, you can use it cooking, and there are other countries and cultures that have been using it for years and years and years. But I'm so glad I've tried it out again. I really like using it on my hair. If there is any other oils or anything like that you would like me to try on my hair overnight, then list them down below in the comment box. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!